Okay, your grandkids are in town here in the villages and you got to find something for them to do. So my first suggestion would be to take them over to Treetop Golf over in Lady Lake. It's over behind the American Legion. It's pretty easy to miss because people usually don't look over that way when they're driving down 466. It's a very challenging golf course. I think the grandkids are going to love it. Seniors and kids are $8.50, and children under 3 are free. So check it out, and they also have a batting cage. Okay, number 2, take your grandkids to the movies on Tuesdays, and that's all day. It's only $5. And this is good at every movie theater here in the villages. That's Sumter Landing, Spanish Springs, and down there in Brownwood. Okay, let's move on to number 3. Okay, number 3, let's say you want to introduce your grandkids to the game of golf. Well, the best place would be this family-owned business behind the Walmart over there on 466. You get a huge bucket of balls for just $9. And over there, your grandkids aren't going to bother anybody. There's plenty of room to hit a bucket, and it's the best place to take them since out in the villages, that wouldn't be wise. Number 4, take your grandkids to a place where they can make their own pizza. It's $10, and I would suggest you call ahead to get the exact dates because they do change quite a bit. And my grandkids, they just love this place. And that $10 also includes a beverage. This is the Flippers Pizza in Spanish Springs.
Okay. I'm putting lots.
Oh yeah, you got to put a whole bunch on it. 2 hands, yeah, pile it up. These are all on there.
When my grandkids are in town, the first thing they tell me is, when can we make a pizza?
Put it all on there, man. There you go. Put it all on there, Dominic.
Is that all you need?
Put it around there, good. There you go.
Here comes the onions and mushrooms.
No, I'm getting pepperoni.
There's the toppings.
You love bacon?
Put more, Dominic. You still got another mile there.
I'm done, right?
There you go.
Keep in mind you do have to call ahead to make a reservation. Let's move on to bowling. Kids love to bowl, especially here in the villages where we have 2 bowling alleys. And on Sundays they have a special for kids. Both the Fiesta Bowling Alley and the Spanish Springs Bowling Alley have very similar pricing for your grandkids when they're visiting. And one of the bowling alleys includes like a hot dog and a drink when you are bowling. Kids love to bowl, and both these lanes have those gutter guards to help your grandkids. Number 6 is Michael's Crafts. Michael's is located over by the Target, and each month they have a newsletter. So give them a call because they're always have some kind of promotion for some type of craft making that's going on. Each session just lasts about an hour to an hour and a half, and it's very reasonable, like $3 or $5. My grandkids really had a blast over there. So give them a shot. They're going to love it. Okay, number 7 on my list is Uncle Donald's Farm on Griffith Avenue in Lady Lake. The road to Uncle Donald's Farm is just off of Route 441. So that's the road, that's Griffin Road. You take that and you're going to be going east for probably about 2 miles. And the prices are adults $11.75, kids are $10, and they also have a senior citizens rate there. The kids really enjoyed this place. You could feed all the different kinds of animals, walk around in the park-like setting. They even have a picnic grounds there. And the kids really enjoyed the hayride there as well. So give Uncle Donald's Farm a shot. I think they'll like it. And especially, there's also a lot of shade in this area too. So if it's a hot day, you're going to stay pretty cool with all the wooded areas that Uncle Donald's Farm has. Let's check out number 8. The Animals of Oz. This is in that big mall up there in Leesburg. The kids love these animals that you drive around on in the mall. It's just $5 for 7 minutes. And my grandkids, they had a blast doing this.
Here they come. You like it?
Yeah.
Whoa! Here comes Dominic.
It's also $10 for 15 minutes. The Lake Square Mall is off of 441. On the left side, as you're going towards Leesburg. And they also have a bungee jumping area also inside this mall for kids. So there's actually plenty of things for them to do. And there's also this huge indoor go-kart track for the older kids. Moving on to number 9 is the Fenny Putt and Play. This place, of course, is free if you're a villager, and your grandkids are also going to love this place because there's nothing better than one huge, long mini golf course, more or less. Lots of fun under the sun down there at the Fenny Putt and Play. And who doesn't like a boat ride on Lake Sumter Landing, which finishes my list at number 10. For just $3, you can spend about 25 minutes out on Lake Sumter and hear a little bit of the history of this area and the lake. Your grandkids are going to love this ride. So I hope I gave you a few ideas for your grandkids when they're here visiting you. Go ahead and leave me your comments and take care.